Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. MSI is a brand that has sold laptops and gaming hardware in the global market for over a decade. MSI has many machines under its belt, from thin and light notebooks to beefy workstations. MSI is mainly known for its quality gaming setups, with the best performing systems. The GF series is MSI's affordable gaming laptop, with an upper mid-range performance rating. The GF75 is thin and light from the outside, but it packs some powerful hardware. The processor of this laptop is pretty impressive to run all the games, and with good graphics support. It comes with a good IPS display, which gives a great gaming experience and anti-glare technology. The GF75 is a fair-priced laptop with accessible gaming features, and good versatility to run the latest games. You have the edge to make the best out of the latest games with your experience. The GF75 is one of the latest budget gaming laptops from MSI. It is comparatively thin, and surprisingly high quality for a budget gaming laptop. So the GF75 Thin looks great and thin. But does it perform great? Well, stick around, and let's find out. MSI GF75 Thin. MSI makes no compromises with its devices when it comes to quality and performance. It's a good-looking and very well-performing gaming device. The GF75 is offered at budget-class pricing by gaming laptop standards, while the hardware inside the device is no less tailored for the thrills of top-class gaming. The design of this gaming device is visually pleasing and impressive. Generally, it has a good range of specifications when you consider its price. Moreover, it gives you the flexibility to upgrade some of its useful hardware components. I think you get a lot for your money with MSI GF75. Design. MSI has opted for a more simple and sharp design with a GF75 laptop. The GF75 is made entirely of premium brushed aluminum. The brushed aluminum is pleasant to the touch and does not collect prints. This laptop is all black and has just a touch of red to give it that gaming laptop look. The top, for instance, has a red MSI logo, along with the brushed aluminum aesthetics. It looks better than the bulky gaming laptops, which have glowing lights all over the body. This device feels very decent, solid, and sturdy. The GF75 weighs just 4.8 pounds, and is just 0.90 inches thick. This feature makes it both thinner and lighter than many other gaming laptops in the market. MSI says GF75 is 8% smaller, 15% lighter, and 16% thinner than other 17-inch gaming laptops. The thin chassis of the device is a huge selling point for gamers that travel more often. The tight hinges keep the lid firm in position and hardly let it wobble. The hinge design effectively lifts the laptop off the surface it is resting on. This allows for greater airflow around the vents, and thus better thermal control from its cooling system. The air vents are located towards the back of the laptop and at the base of the screen. This means you won't feel much of the heat when your hands are resting on the palm area of the laptop. You get 2 fans, 7 pipes and 4 exhausts, all working together to keep the CPU and the GPU cool. Display. The GF75 comes with a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS level display, having anti-glare technology. It has a clear IPS display to provide an immense gaming experience for all the high-quality games. It can support a 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution in Full HD with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. After running any good graphic game on this monitor, you would be surprised to see the results. The display is pretty thin at 23.1mm, and you can easily slip it into your laptop bag. The GF75 comes with a slimmer bezel than any other gaming laptop. The screen-to-body ratio is 88%, which is flat-out amazing display as a gaming laptop. Also, despite the tiny bezels, the webcam is positioned in the center of the top bezel. It offers around 250 nits, which is good enough for indoor use, and not meant to be used outdoors. Its color space coverage is 75% for sRGB, and 49% for Adobe RGB. The GF75 laptop offers vibrant colors, and excellent viewing angles. However, in gaming, color fidelity only plays a subordinate role. Here, gamers will benefit more from the 144Hz display, and the matte panel. This makes particularly fast shooters, such as Call of Duty or Fortnite, a lot of fun. With good color and clarity, the projected visuals will turn out just enough to catch the eyes during gameplay. When you watch videos on YouTube or Netflix, you'll not roll your eyes at the sight of the display. The GF75's display is suitable for everyday use, especially for the given price. Apart from gaming, it's also a capable device for web browsing and working on documents. If you're planning on editing high-intense video and graphics, then GF75 probably isn't the right choice for you. Performance. The GF75 is powered by a 10th generation Core i7-10750H CPU, which provides responsive and powerful performance. The 10750H is a member of the Comet Lake generation of CPUs, and simultaneously supports up to 12 threads. The processor has a base frequency of 2.6 GHz, and a maximum frequency of 5.60 GHz. The GF75 comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and it supports a maximum of 64 GB across 2 slots. Its 512 GB M.2 SSD drive allows you to store an ample amount of data with ease. The GTX 1650 with 4 GB VRAM makes this laptop an absolute monster for gaming and processing. The GF75 combines the Intel and NVIDIA hardware to improve the performance significantly. The GF75 gaming laptop can run the latest games at high settings. You'll have no problem running games like The Witcher 3, Overwatch, and Rainbow Six Siege. The GF75's auto fan control does a great job of keeping the laptop's temperature under control. It comes with a strong processor that provides efficient multitasking. This device performs well with tasks like browsing, document editing, emailing, etc. It lets you run heavy software and multiple apps simultaneously, without affecting the performance. You can also carry out the light photo and video editing in GF75. Moreover, you can optimize the performance of this laptop's CPU by using its Dragon Center software. With this software, you can monitor the performance of the laptop's CPU, and also adjust the fan speed. With MSI's Dragon Center software, you can enhance your overall gaming experience. You can also switch between performance and silent modes from Dragon Center software. Keyboard. The GF75 has pretty much your standard MSI keyboard, and its SteelSeries backlit. The decent-sized keyboard is located right in the middle of the laptop, with a full numpad. The numpad is an absolute must for those who crunch numbers on Excel spreadsheets. The keys are backlit, red backlit only, which is MSI's signature color. The red backlight on the GF75 is brilliant, and it accents the red fonts on the keycaps. The backlight can be adjusted to 4 brightness levels. The full-sized keys come with decent key spacing, and an excellent depth to the key throw. The keys give the right amount of feedback, with a nice feel. This fantastic keyboard will give you an enjoyable game playing and typing experience. The keyboard will make you feel comfortable to type on for extended periods. With the glowing red backlit keys, you can keep doing your work or play games in dark environments. The power button is located away from the keyboard, and has a power indicator LED next to it. On the inside, the GF75 retains a premium and decent aesthetic. Touchpad. The touchpad is a decent size, is entirely flat, and is located in a sweet spot that feels natural to use. The touchpad is excellent, and feels exceptionally smooth under the finger. Its frictionless surface makes it easy to navigate, responding in a flash. The touchpad uses Windows Precision drivers, and it's pretty accurate and smooth. It supports standard gestures like zooming, scrolling, and triggering right clicks with 2 fingers. Both the keyboard and touchpad of GF75 work perfectly fine. Connectivity. Despite a relatively thin build, you get a decent port selection on GF75. You get a power port, an HDMI port, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A Gen 1 ports on the left side. On the right side, there is an RJ45 port, a USB 3.2 Type-C Gen 1 port, and a USB 3.2 Type-A Gen 1 port. Moreover, you also get here 2 3.5mm mic input and headphone sockets. The HDMI port will allow output to external monitors with better resolutions, such as a 4K screen. All these ports are evenly distributed on both sides, so that you won't have any issues using all of them at the same time. The GF75 supports data connections via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. What a gamer doesn't need isn't there, the SD card reader or a mini display port. But from the wired mouse to the professional gaming headset, everything else can be connected to the GF75. You can quickly expand via Type-C or a docking station, if you want more. Battery. The GF75 has 3 cells Li polymer battery having 51 watt-hours, and gives good battery timing. The battery can run consistently for about 5 hours while doing office jobs or online work. Moreover, the battery lasts for about 2 hours, during your gaming sessions. The battery backup is excellent, considering it's a gaming device full of RGB lights. However, I will advise that you keep the laptop plugged in while gaming. This battery runs longer than most other gaming laptops in this category. You can get better battery performance by keeping its brightness at 50% and closing background applications. The 150 watts power adapter takes around 2 hours to charge the laptop from 0 to 100%. Speakers. The built-in dual stereo speakers are sited around the front corners. The GF75 speakers are excellent, pretty loud, and the sound is clear. The speakers can easily fill a small-sized room and produce a lot of details, but it lacks space. But the show's real star here is the built-in Nahimic 3 software. With the Nahimic 3 software, the power to tweak the sounds to suit your style is in your hands. You can customize the sound setup, go with the flow of gameplay, and perceive the boom of the action. And when you plug into headphones, the in-game experience becomes even more immersive. The sound of the GF75 is one of the better on the market. Webcam. The GF75 comes with a 720p webcam at the top bezel, and a built-in microphone. It's nice to have a built-in webcam, especially now with many people working from home. You can stay connected over the video chats, such as Zoom or Skype. Operating system. The GF75 comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. Additionally, you also get Norton Internet Security and Norton Studio software. Warranty. This genuine MSI laptop comes with 2 years carry-in warranty from MSI, covering manufacturing defects. It doesn't cover physical damage, burns, and liquid damage. Please visit MSI's official website for more details on the GF75 warranty. Cinebench test results. Crystal Disk Mark test results. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The GF75 is a mid-range premium gaming laptop. It is pretty lightweight and portable for a gaming laptop, with a 17.3 inches IPS display. It's a powerhouse of a gaming machine, and the specs are great for the price. It comes with a large and fast gaming screen, a strong CPU, and a suitable GPU. In addition, MSI packs well-chosen connections, a solid color-accurate display, and a fast SSD. Moreover, the keyboard and trackpad were also a delight to use. The GF75 strikes a perfect balance between your work and gaming life. This gaming device is perfect for casual and budget-conscious gamers. With GTX 1650 graphics, you'll be able to play World of Warcraft at medium settings. You'll get the smoothest gameplay and the highest frame rates. It's a good budget gaming laptop that delivers excellent gaming performance. If you need a gaming laptop to lug around easily, you should check out GF75. You'll definitely get your money's worth with the GF75. The MSI GF75's base price starts at $1,300, approximately 98,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews. Plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Once again, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.